And this is for the girl who threw the baby ashes out the window, nobody only. You could never be my baby father's sister. Never in life. Let me tell you something.
Hi people, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support, and I hope we are all fine. Today's conversation is about this viral video. I find it so weird. Even if you're upset, all of the things you could have done on this earth, she poured her baby daddy's sister baby ashes out of her window because her baby daddy's sister did not want to fight. So what caused all this drama is that her kids were taken away from her by the CPS. She was saying, "You try to take my kids away, I'm about to do the same too." Anyway, I heard that she thought the baby daddy's sister called the CPS to come and get the kids away from her. So in return, that's why she did the same thing. Anyway, I'll let her video play as well as the stitches from different people. And I'll be back to leave my own comment. So please stick around.
But take care of your kids. I got yours. But I got yours. But I got yours. Why you ain't just beat the fuck? Bro, I've been beat this girl up. This is like, come on, let's be for real. Who she talking to? We talking about my baby father's sister. Like, I done told her to come outside. She called CPS. She tried to get my kid taken away. So, I got yours. Yep. Oh, and matter of fact, since you on this live, bitch, what you need to do is screen record this. That's what you really need to do. Not gonna lie. And then you posted it yesterday talking about fight CPS. Bitch, no, you fight these ashes out there in the fucking wind. Grab it. Grab it. Like, be fucking for real. You have nowhere to live. You bum ass bitch. You sell your twat for bare minimum. $60 for the sell twat. Like, can we talk about it? Yeah, I got 2 kids. This is chocolate and you know Sissy already. Remember when we was on the phone? Like, girl, Sissy is right now, he is eating fine in my grandmother's house. Y'all know the grandmothers don't play about eating. My Spanish ass abuela. I take care of my nephew the time you was a treesh if you lying on me. I'm a treesh, Lala. You can never play that treesh role with me. Where to, bro? Ask how many fucking bodies do you have? I still got 6 in the mine. Ask how many bodies you have. I am 21 going on 22, a grown ass woman. How many bodies you have? You have more than my fucking father. You have more than a nigga on this earth. Don't ever fucking play with me. You sell twat for bare minimum. Girl, now, since the people that I want is watching, share the screen. I mean, can y'all screen record real quick? I'm gonna do how. Don't call me, bitch. Don't call me. Come outside and go. Come grab your baby's ashes. No. Hold on. She just tried to call me on FaceTime audio. Bitch, you a bum ass bitch. You're a bitch. Get paid for your phone bill. Best friend, did you screen recording this so I could start throwing this shit out so you can send it to me? Cause word to bro, I don't even play with people. I don't play with people. I don't. Not enough. Bitch said I'm gonna poke you. Bitch, catch me. I'm right outside. I'm right outside. You know where the fuck. Don't speak so fucking much. Bro, can somebody say they screen recording? I just need somebody to say, yes, I am starting. Like, I'm here. You here? Say, yes, I'm screen recording. Say it. Yes, I'm screen recording. Yes, I'm screen recording. I need it. Yes, I'm screen recording. Playing with my godson and cannot hear. Bro. But I'm screen recording. That's all I needed. God damn. God damn. Was that enough? Hold on. Was that God damn. Hold on. Damn, I think I'm Juju now. Wah. The ashes is dead on the fucking windowsill. Come and get your baby back in blood, bitch. No funny money. I don't even play with my kids. You fucking lost it. You lost your fucking rabbit ass mind.
Oh, and before I go to bed, to that girl who dropped the baby ashes out the window because she was beefing with the baby's mom because that's her baby daddy's sister, I hope all them ashes get stuck in your lungs and you the next one into ashes. Don't ever piss me off. Like, that was absolutely, I don't care what that girl did to you. That was out of line. That was so disgusting what you did. So disgusting. Honestly, if it was me, that would have been the last day that girl would have seen them ashes because she would have been right next to the baby. Right next to the urn. You'd have been in another urn. And you would have earned your spot there. Because I would have been in jail. Don't ever do that. Don't ever play with me like that. Don't ever play with me like that behind my kid. That's crazy business to me. I was literally watching this like, no, she's not going to do it. It's got to be fake. It's got to be fake. This girl did it. And I was like, oh no. Oh no. Put her in the casket. Box her up, y'all. Box her up. Because I don't care what that girl did. Unless she touched your kid. And even touching your kid. Does that mean, like, what did the baby do to you? What did the baby do to you? That at the end of the day, you're desecrating the baby. It hurts the mom, yeah, but you're desecrating the baby. You're going to go to the deepest parts of hell. And I hope you burn for the rest of your eternity. Because why would you do that? Absolutely unacceptable.
So to that young lady who poured out her baby daddy's sister's baby's ashes out of the window and then said, come get your baby back in blood, I want you to know you've been marked. You've been marked, and there is no corner of this earth that you can move to that will skip the ass whooping that will be handed to you on a daily basis. Like, you can run, but you literally cannot hide anywhere. A baby is defenseless. A child always has a guardian, even if you cannot see it. That child is always protected. So when you poured out that baby's ashes and then spoke and said that somebody who cares about this baby has to come get this baby's ashes back in blood, do you understand the mark that you have over your life? Ma'am, you will never be safe for the rest of your days. I'm not even trying to be funny. That shit was so disrespectful. Spiritual universal law number 1 is do not fuck with the dead under any circumstances. Any. If you feel like someone who's passed on is fucking with you, you get somebody who's already passed on to take care of that shit. That's how the universal law works. But you as the living person, you leave the fucking dead alone. You do not have the resources or the power to deal with things that you cannot see or understand. A priest, a priestess, a shaman, a root worker, a witch, a warlock will not be able to help you. And not only that, they're going to be advised to not help you either. That's the fucked up part. But you did that to yourself. I truly feel like I'm baffled. Anytime somebody fucks with the dead on purpose and provokes the dead on purpose to prove a point to the living, if I were her friend, I would not be her friend anymore. If that was my daughter, that's something that's an unforgivable event. Unforgivable. I wouldn't even know what to do if my son or daughter did something this disrespectful. But this kind of shit comes from people who she wasn't taught manners at all. You can tell she was raised in a fucking barn, and she has no sort of spiritual class. And people think that dealing with the dead is a game. They think that it's not serious. Oh, whatever, it's just ashes, or oh, whatever, it's just a grave, just a headstone, just a coffin, or this is just their belongings. Who gives a fuck? And you destroy it on purpose with the intention of getting a reaction out of people. You're fucking done. Like I said, your life has been marked. This young lady needs to be careful from here on out, because the people who she meets will probably be people who are sent on assignment to destroy this young lady's life. And that's the only warning I can give this young lady, is if she does happen to see this video, there ain't gonna be no crystals. There's not gonna be any type of oils or anything that will be able to protect you from the karma that you must pay for what you have done. And it's a bed that you gotta lie in and sleep now.
To the girl who threw those baby ashes out the window. And this is for the girl who threw the baby ashes out the window, nobody only. You can never be my baby father's sister. Never in life. Let me tell you something. Right now, I don't fuck with my baby, none of my baby father's family. This is my second baby father. I don't fuck with none of his family. None of them. If any given day, God forbid, any sympathy, and you thought the way, I ain't gonna hold you, just come lock me up, because I'm taking every last charge. I'm taking every charge, because it's gonna be a homicide on everybody. The way how she was just pouring the baby ashes out the window, talking about come get it back in blood, bitch. Oh, bitch, I'm coming. I'm coming to get it back in blood. ASAP with everybody. All y'all bitches line up, because everybody will have to see me behind that. When I tell you that is the most disgusting thing that I just witnessed just now, the baby's ashes out the window, is that bad? I mean, don't get me wrong. You know, sometimes it really do be that bad, but that is to hell. Like, you got to go to hell, pack your suitcase right now, brush your teeth, slick your edges down, because you're on your way to hell. Because, excuse me, everybody will have to see me behind that, because, yeah.
Did you guys see the video of the girl who threw her baby daddy's sister's baby ashes out the window because they got into it, and she did it on live? I'm not sure if she didn't see the video of the other girl, however many years ago, who went to her boyfriend's mama's house, grabbed the mama up by the shirt right here, and kept slapping her. And she kept turning around looking at dude and was like, this your mama, right? This your mom? And she just kept slapping that woman. And I mean hard. And dude did nothing. But the girl showed up dead about a week later. A couple days, a week later, I mean, I don't think any No argument is that serious for me to be throwing out your baby's ashes. And on live, me and jail are not friends, but I would never feel like my baby is safe ever again. That was.
And to the girl that threw that baby ashes out the window, and to you and you only, where you at? Because clearly they taking too long for me. Where you at? What state you live in? I need that. I don't even know the people. I need that. ASAP. When I'm done with you, your ass gonna be dust just like the little baby you just threw out the window. Cause what the fuck is your problem? Ain't nothing in this world. I don't care if somebody talked about your great grandma, your kids, and your deadbeat daddy. You threw somebody's child out the window, somebody's ashes out the window. You deserve to be in hell. You deserve to be ashes. You deserve to be dust. And I'm finna dust shit. Somebody tell me who she is. Because they not doing something. So girl, the person the baby belongs to, please call my phone.
Well, having watched the video as well as the stitches, guys, kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below, because that poor baby didn't have anything to do with whatever was going on with these ladies. What is wrong with this generation? I can't believe this. Hey, I'm feeling bad right now. This is the most unforgivable act a person can do. That's not even funny at all. The karma is real. Is real. I don't know what will happen to you. That was just overboard. The child was defenseless, even saying, come and get your baby in blood. Girl, that act was just too much. Even if you were upset, but that was too much. Spiritually, we should not pray with the dead. We should respect the dead. You just put yourself in a spiritual warfare, girl. I don't even know what God, I don't even know how to explain it. I feel bad right now for the child. What of the mother? How is she feeling? The karma that will come for her and her future. Ish. Anyway, guys, I won't say much on this issue because I'm feeling bad right now as a mother. Imagine that happening to your baby. Hey, anyway, guys, thank you so much for being part of this conversation. Anyway, guys, don't forget to share, comment, and like this video. Thank you so much for being part of this conversation. See you in the next video.